Hi my friends, I have a new update for you guys. So I just discovered a new AI platform that allows you to generate AI videos for free. When I mean for free, I mean totally free. Now you know what? Let me allow you guys to enjoy this video I generated, then I'll teach you how to create them.
Every day na sleep, you no go work.
I'm tired, leave me.
Children dey hungry.
I say I tired.
Daddy, stop! Mommy.
Nothing to cook today.
I'm hungry. Mommy.
Let's get going. Come on, sister.
I'm coming.
I'll get up soon.
Did you see how realistic this video is? Did you feel the emotions? Did you see how the audio sounds so clear? How the video is so beautiful? Now let's create our own. You open your ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to generate a story for you. If you have any story idea, you can just type it here and ChatGPT will do the rest for you, okay? Make sure you always ask for the animation prompt, the image prompt, the dialogue prompt, the camera angles, okay? When you are asking for the stories, ask for everything so ChatGPT will just generate everything once for you. So that's what I did. I told ChatGPT to generate a story about a lazy man and his hardworking wife with 2 children, okay? And ChatGPT generated everything I need for me. The scenes, ChatGPT generate all the whole scene with the image prompts, the dialogue, the characters, the animation prompt, the camera angles, the sounds, the acting, just to give me a perfect video, okay? Now that that is ready, let's head over to our browser, then you type Dola AI, okay? You can also download Dola AI app if you don't want to use this website, but I'm cool with the website, so I just type Dola AI, then you search. It will open this beautiful interface for you, then you select the first one that you're seeing, okay? Once it opens into this interface, this is how the websites look like. This is how the platform look like. Now you are going to log in. As I always say, anytime you open a free platform, always do well to log in, okay? You can sign in with your email. Once that is done, this is how you look like. You see this place they wrote more down. You tap on it, you see create image, you see translate, homework and create video. We're going to tap on create image because we're going to be creating our image first. Now that we've tapped on that, we'll head over to our ChatGPT. So look for scene 1 for your story, the image prompt. So you copy the image prompt first because we're going to be generating the image before we generate the video, okay? Once you've copied the image prompt from ChatGPT, you head over to the platform, the Dollar AI platform. You see that 3 dot over there, you tap on it. You select your ratio, your style, your template, okay? Once you've put everything in place, the next thing you need to do is to paste your story, okay? Paste the prompt, the image prompt you got from ChatGPT, then you tap that arrow to generate it. And immediately, your image will get generated. It does not even waste time. It will generate about 4 different images for you and you can pick any one you like out of the 4 images. So once the image gets generated, you're going to see an arrow that is facing down, okay? You tap on that arrow to save the image into your phone. So you can either save it into your gallery or into your file. Any one you like is good for you, okay? Now that our image is ready, let's create the video. You tap on that create image and cancel it. You see more. Tap on more, then look for create video and tap on it, okay? Then you see that 3 dots by the side, you tap on it. Once you tap on it, you are going to see reference image, Seedance 2.0 fast, 10 seconds and ratio. Tap on Seedance 2.0 fast. It will show you the AI model, which is Seedance 2.0 fast and Seedance 1.0 fast. We're going to be working with Seedance 2.0 fast. Then you tap on the 10 seconds, select your duration if you want 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Then you tap on the aspect ratio to select the aspect ratio you want. Okay, 16.9 was what I tapped on because that's what I need. Now that we've arranged our setting, we'll go back to the ChatGPT and copy the dialogue prompt. Okay, you're going to copy the camera angles, the acting and the dialogue prompts together. Okay, now once you've done that, you go back to the platform and paste it, then you tap on that arrow to generate your video and immediately your video will start generating. Okay, the reason why you have to copy both the camera angles, the acting and dialogue is because you want a perfect video. Okay, now our video is ready. You tap on it, okay? It will play. Once it's playing, you see this arrow that is facing down. You tap on it to download the video into your phone. Now let's watch the video we just created.
Every day na sleep, you no go work.
I'm tired, leave me.
Now let's create the image and video for scene. So you scroll down, you see create video, you cancel it. You see this more, you tap on it. You are going to tap create image now because we want to create the image for scene 2, then you create the video. So to create the image first, you go back to your ChatGPT, copy the image prompt for scene 2. Once you copy it, you head back to Dola AI platform, okay? Once you get to the platform, you're going to tap on that three dots that's beside it to select the ratio, the aspect ratio, the style, and the template. You see the reference image, you tap on reference image and select the first image you created. That's scene 1 image. Once you select that scene 1 image, it's going to load. Okay, the reason why we are selecting it is because we want all our images to be consistent. If we don't want a different image, we don't want it to generate a different image for us. If you don't select the reference images, it can generate something totally different for you, and your character will not now be consistent. So once the image gets loaded, you paste the image prompt. Okay, once you paste it, you would tap on generate and your image would start generating. Okay, it will not even take time. Immediately your image is going to get generated, and as always, you would tap on the arrow that is facing down to download the image into your phone, into your gallery or your files, anyone. Okay, good. Now that we have our image, let's create the video. You cancel that create image, then tap on more, look for create video and tap on it. Okay, now we'll go back to ChatGPT to copy the animation prompts, camera, dialogue, and acting. We'll copy all the prompts together from our ChatGPT. Then we'll head back to Dollar AI platform. You tap on that three eye that is besides the create video. You select your reference image. Okay, make sure you select the image we just finished generating for scene 2. Select that particular image. Select your AI model. Select the duration, 5 seconds or 10 seconds. You select your aspect ratio. Okay, I selected 16:9 because I'm working on YouTube video. Okay, once you've selected all your settings, you allow the image to load, your reference image. That's the image you generated for scene 2. Once it gets loaded like this is normal loading, you paste the prompt that we just copied from ChatGPT, then you tap on that arrow to generate it, and immediately your video would start generating. Okay, once your video gets generated, all you have to do is tap on the video to watch it. Okay, once you're satisfied with it, that arrow that is facing down, you tap on the arrow to save
I
the video
tired.
into your phone. Okay, good.
Children, they're hungry.
I say I tired.
Daddy, stop! Mommy.
Next is Century. You scroll down, cancel that create video, tap on more and tap on create image. Now we'll go back to ChatGPT, scroll to look for the image prompt for scene 3 because we're going to be generating the image for scene 3 before we generate the video. Now that we've copied the image prompt, we'll head over to the Dollar AI platform, tap on that three dots, then select the reference image first. Okay, just select the image we've generated from either scene 1 or scene 2. When you select any of the images, it will load. Then you select your aspect ratio. Okay, once the image gets loaded, you paste the image prompt for scene 3 that we just copied from ChatGPT. Okay, make sure you always put a reference image so that you have consistent characters. Okay, now that you've generated it, your image is going to get generated. Beautiful clean image. Once your image gets generated, you tap on it. Okay, then you see the arrow that is facing down. You tap on the arrow as we did in the previous one. Save the image into your phone. Okay, good. Now that we have our image ready, let's create the video. Scroll down and cancel that create image. Then you see that three dot beside it. You see more. Tap on more. Look for create video and tap on create video. You go back to ChatGPT to copy the full dialogue prompt, all the animation, camera angle, the sounds, the acting, the dialogue. You copy the whole prompt together. Okay, you get back to Dollar AI, that three dots that's beside it. As always, you select your reference image, you select your AI model, select your duration and your aspect ratio. Okay, now once the reference image is loaded, you paste the prompt. The reference image is the image we created for Sintiri. Okay, that's the reference image. So once everything gets generated, you see your video, you tap on it to play.
Nothing
Once
to
you're
cook
satisfied
today.
that it's facing down, you tap on it to save the video into your phone.
Nothing to cook today.
I'm hungry. Mommy,
I hope you've been able to learn how to create these AI videos through this step-by-step tutorial. I had to generate the other videos for the remaining scenes off camera because I don't want this video to be too long. So let's watch what we created, okay?
Mom, it smells so good. Dad will be strong again after he eats this.
We can't keep doing this. We have to do better. For them. Let's get going.
Come on, sister. I'm coming.
I'll get up soon.
You can create so many videos with this step-by-step tutorial I taught you guys, okay? You can create up to 30 minutes, 1 hour video with this and you don't have to pay a dime. So the thing is that once you've exhausted the credits that this website give you, you just have to switch emails, okay? You log out of the email that you are using and log into another email and you just continue generating videos, okay? Then when you are done generating all these clips, you go to your CapCut and you join them together, edit a beautiful video and you're good to go. You're good to go. Now if you have any questions concerning this tutorial or any other tutorial I've done, do well to drop it in the comment section and I'll do it to reply. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I love you. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye. Toodles.